Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make some yummy Jaggery Cashew cookies. Into a bowl add some butter, some jaggery and some milk. Microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes and melt the butter. Mix it really well, then add the dry ingredients like some oats flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder and some cardamom powder. Mix it and make it into a cookie dough. Once it becomes a dough-like consistency, add some chopped cashew nuts and mix it using your hands. Now take small portions and make cookies. Here with the help of a cookie cutter, I made some designs on top of the cookies. Now place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for 15 to 16 minutes. And once it cools down completely, our yummy cashew jaggery cookies are ready. So do try out this simple and easy cookie recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.